This is Edmonton in the heart of Alberta.
Welcome back to another episode of Edmonton Series. Today I will show you how much you need to pay for an apartment in Edmonton. That will be really helpful for you if you are relocating or coming to Edmonton, Alberta for the first time. So it will be a 2-bedroom apartment with 2 washroom living space within. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe it now so that you don't miss the future episodes of this series.
So once we enter to the main door, first on the left, this is a spare space which they have used as a storage, and then you have a washroom in here. Then you have kitchen, so this is the main entrance door, and then you have the kitchen on the right hand side. So this will be the living space. There's a storage unit right there, the double doors. And when you go next, so that will be the first bedroom. This will be the space for washer and dryer. Let's go to the first bedroom, which looks quite a good size of it. They have the queen size. So the wardrobe here is, I would say, a pretty good size wardrobe here. Big double-sided window. And as you know, this is the kitchen, and the second bedroom is right there. So this bedroom is quite big too, and they have the queen size bed in here with the 2 computer tables, one with a single, one with a double monitor. And this one is kind of a walk-in closet right here, but no doors on it. So this apartment is one of my friends, and he decided not to come on the camera. I'm pretty sure he's not comfortable for that. So both washrooms, as you see, they do have the same size of tub, WC, and wash basin. They also have a balcony attached with it. I'm not too sure if you can see, it's quite a good size balcony. And you have a nice view too. Yeah, it's pretty cold outside and it's winter, so it's all snowy, but it's quite a good feel of it.
Alright, so this apartment is for $1,300. 2-bedroom, 2 washroom, balcony attached, and you can get this in South Edmonton. And mostly, of course, the downtown prices will be pretty good and high, but you can still get it something around for the 2-bedroom for $2,000. Of course, the utilities will be extra, and basically for the apartment, for the most part in Edmonton, the electricity is different. You have to pay, but the water is included. So the electricity above $1,300 will be something around $60 to $65 depending how much you use, and the water, if you need to pay, will be something around $50 again. So something around, in total, you will be getting off with the rent, including the utilities, which should be something around $1,400 to $1,500 depending on which part of Edmonton City you will be looking at. If you have any questions or concerns, do let me ask, and I will help you if you are relocating to Edmonton. Alright, that's all for this episode, and I hope you liked it. Please, if you liked it, like and share and subscribe to my channel. It will be really helpful. Thank you so much. Adios.